Match your dream to this beautiful 2-bedroom 2-bath second-floor residence with lush golf course views. Beige tile flooring throughout entire home. Airy and bright floor plan, with former terrace leveled and open to living area. The kitchen has been opened to dining area and features white cabinetry, some with glass fronts, white glass backsplash, beige quartz countertop and white appliances. A wine refrigerator and extra cabinetry have been added also. Recessed and pendant lighting make this an easy-to-work-in kitchen. Dining area has a fantastic view of golf course. Dining porch just off dining area is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the wonderful Florida breezes from. Master bedroom had French doors to interior living area, updated bath and shower area. Large guest room and bath. Timeless style. Mandatory membership. Quail Ridge is a private, member-owned